most versatile attachment is your cable system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your cable system as easily as possible. The first thing that I like to ensure is that the shaft is unlocked so that it's easy to rotate. Next, have the work head positioned upright. This is going to allow gravity to do most of the work for you. Once the center bolt drops into place, go ahead and lock the outside lever to the face of the work head. And during exercise, you want to make sure that the cable is working linearly. You want to not have the cable go up and down like this when in use. It's also helpful to leave about 2 fingers of space at the end of the cable. Choose the appropriate attachment, change your tilt, and adjust the height accordingly for the exercise you're trying to simulate.